chose Dana's Divers Village as our accommodation. Here in Aqaba, shore diving is usual. At first, I was a bit skeptical if this is a good option, but I must say, yes, it's a good option. Because it is going faster than by boat. The water temperature in April is 22 degrees Celsius and one dive always lasts for 40 minutes. So, to feel comfortable, a 5mm wetsuit, hood and gloves are recommendable. As the Gulf here is narrow and so deep, there are no offshore reefs. This means that almost all of the diving sites are accessible from the shore. Our daily routine here is diving, relaxing, diving, and go for a walk on the beach in the evening and enjoy the beautiful sunset. very impressed by the variety of diving sites they offer on this small coastline shore. Unfortunately, it's very rare to see bigger fish here. No sharks or turtles or so. Also, everything that can be eaten is missing. I was also amazed at the beautiful coral, despite of the numerous divers who couldn't keep their buoyancy. Aqaba is best for its fantastic mackerel, shrimps, nudibranch, pipefish, and a lot of marine life I've never seen before. What I also appreciate is that the authorities try to save or restore the coral by creating artificial reef. In total, we did 9 dives on various sites. A very big problem here in Jordan is the garbage problem. On the beach and also underwater, you can find an enormous quantity of plastic garbage and aluminium cans.